Can unfair behavior by public officials become a legal issue? Yes, under Indian law, it absolutely can. Public officials, including police officers, government authorities, and other officials, are not above the law. They are bound by legal duties and constitutional principles while performing their functions. This means that any misuse of power, unfair treatment, or abuse of authority can be challenged legally. But what exactly counts as unfair behavior? Unfair behavior may include refusing to register a legitimate complaint, showing bias or discrimination, using abusive language, unnecessary delay in action, or acting in a manner that violates a person's dignity or rights. For women, such behavior can be especially serious because the law places an additional responsibility on authorities to act with sensitivity and respect. If a public official behaves unfairly, the law provides remedies. A woman can file a complaint against the official through departmental mechanisms. This may involve approaching senior officers, internal grievance systems, or designated complaint authorities. In cases involving police misconduct, complaints can be made to higher-ranking officers or even before judicial authorities. In more serious situations, legal action can be initiated before courts. Courts have the power to examine whether an official has acted beyond their authority, violated legal procedures, or infringed fundamental rights. If such violations are proven, courts may take strict action, which may include directions for corrective measures, penalties, or even prosecution in appropriate cases. Another important remedy is the filing of a writ petition before the High Court or the Supreme Court. Through writ jurisdiction, courts can intervene when fundamental rights are violated or when public authorities act unlawfully. This acts as a strong safeguard against misuse of power. It is also important to understand that public officials are expected to act transparently and accountably. Their actions must follow due process. They cannot act arbitrarily, and they cannot ignore the rights of citizens. However, awareness plays a key role here. Many people may not realize that unfair behavior by an official is not something they must tolerate. The law does not expect silence, it provides remedies. Unfair treatment by authorities is not just wrong, it can become a legal issue. And when citizens understand this, accountability becomes stronger. Indian laws explained: know your rights, understand your responsibilities.